guys, I'm here in our bathroom. As you could probably hear, my baby is crying. But good thing my husband's here and we're about to step out and just, well, have a day out because it's a holiday. I don't know what holiday it is here in France, but it's a holiday. So I'm just going to do a very quick makeup that any mom can do on the go. This will be less than 5 minutes, I swear. And maybe just for anybody that needs an everyday look and or just to put a bit of makeup on so you are not so barefaced, I guess. So I have showered, I'm changed. This is how I am today. So I'm just going to quickly go in with my concealer. Any concealer will do, but I personally like using my LA Girl Pro Conceal. That's my husband in Classic Ivory. And I like this because it's not so drying, but it does the coverage. And I'm just going to go in. Yep, and covers all the dark circles and my tiredness away. So yeah, this is me rushing supposedly. If my husband is rushing, if you have a husband or a man in your life that is just rushing you to get your makeup done, well, maybe this is another solution. I have my cheek tint, any cheek tint will do for you. And this is what works for me, just right there. Yep. Just to give you a bit of a color. Yep. And that's my cheeks a pink. I think. Now let's go in with brows. We can't go without brows. I would like to use Goof Proof brow gel because brow pencil because it has wax in it, so I don't need to put any like that clear gel, whatever you call it. So I'm just gonna go in very lightly, not too dark, just to fill it in really so it still has that natural look. Hi, husband. So imagine my husband rushing me because that's what he does when I do my makeup.
Lily.
Yep. And I'm almost done with my eyebrows. Oh my god, how many minutes is it? 3 minutes? Okay. Do my brows look good? There you go. It's the light. But you could see it properly. Okay, so that looks good. And I just like to take a spoolie and fix the hair. Not necessarily blend it out because it's pretty blended out, I believe, as it is. Next will be my lashes. So I'm going to take your eye curler and curl. Curl again. There you go. I feel like I'm racing something. Okay. I like to use Paradise by Loreal because it really has a good formula. I don't have any other mascaras. And yeah, that's already one coat. That's one coat, ladies and gentlemen. Can't talk. Focusing. Super quick. Almost done. Okay. If you want to do a second coat, go ahead. But I will. not least, my favorite lip tint. You can't see the sign anymore, but it's Water Tint Etude House. I just think it blends really well. Doesn't look like my lips are bleeding like Tony Moly does and all the other lip tint. Let it dry. It's not really moisturizing, so I add chapstick. And then last, take a powder of any sort. I like to use a bit of a foundation blush, go underneath my eyes to set everything. Then go in, buff it in all the shiniest way, even here. There you go. That's my look. And I'm done. So that's about it. And oh, here's another tip that I like to do. So if you have crazy hair or whatever, and my hair, it's kind of flat. So what I like to do for a really quick, like, put together look, I tie my hair just down like this, just a little bit out. Sometimes hair will fall, that's okay. Yep. And my little trick that I like to do is add earrings to complete my look. Any earrings will do, but dangling will look good because you look like put together. Anyway, so that's my very, very quick tutorial. I'm sure you can hear the water running because my husband is cleaning something. That's my look. Yep, no contour, no foundation either, and yeah, just concealer I think just makes a whole big of a difference, and mascara, a little bit of cheek tint and lip tint will just go a long way. So yeah, I just want to put together a look like I'm not like ragged down by my son, but hope you guys enjoy. Have a good day, and next tutorial I guess soon.